Yo, I have some things. I have a VR headset. I have a stylus. Time for some new series. A few. If I sound like I'm about to fall asleep, I am. What time is it? It is 2:57. It's 2:57. 2 a.m. Almost 3 a.m. Oh god, that's gonna be a bit creepy. I'm gonna be drawing stuff. Okay. I'm gonna draw. Let's think. What should I draw first for whiteboard 69? This is a new series, by the way. I'm just gonna draw random things. Put in the comments what do you think I should draw in the next video of whiteboard 69. But we should probably get started. Alright, let's get started with the B. Yep, I like that B. That B looks pretty sick. There we go. Now it needs a stinger. We need like a darker white. Yeah, like a grey colour. And now we need the wings. This looks ridiculous. This looks absolutely ridiculous. But you know what? Just appreciate my drawings for a minute. It's not like I can't draw anything. Right, here's this separate little thing. Let's just look at it. So this is... I can't really do anything with it at the moment. Okay, I need a background. Time to go to Safari. Alright. Oh, okay, this is kind of giving me the chills. That one looks cool. Oh god. Let's just go with... Actually, no, it's got weird things on it. I don't like weird things. Okay, now we can. Send to back, so that'll always be at the back. No, this is the background. Look guys, it's the background. Now we've got the bee. Okay, we need some scenery here. It's just like Bee Swarm Simulator. So we need the human. I've just searched up Roblox Bee Swarm. Oh my god, it's Dennis. Okay, we need Dennis. Dennis, you're gonna be chased by bees. So here's the good thing with this. I'm pretty sure I can just get rid of the background. Okay, this might be a bit hot. Oh god, Dennis. Alright, yeah, this is quite tricky. Wait. Okay. And keep it here for now. Is this it is. Right, we're just gonna rub all this out. You know what, Dennis, you're not getting feet anymore. You're not getting any legs, Dennis. So just get rid of the... By the way, if you hear clicking, that's my arm. That's what happens when I draw too much. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, Dennis. Okay, we got this covered. Let me just add a new page. Oh crap, I didn't add stealth mode. Sorry. Oh, there we go. Alright, Dennis. You're gonna get chased by the bee. Okay, we're gonna rotate this. We're gonna flip. Oh crap, that's the wrong... Wait, how did we end up selecting that? Selected that. What the... Okay, this is not going too well. Okay, Dennis is gonna be here. The bee is gonna be here. What else do we need? Actually, I got an idea. Wait, that probably wasn't a good idea. On this page, I want to make... I want to make some sort of like cool beehive kind of vibe. How would you get like a bright... You know what, that's good enough. I didn't even save it. Okay, there we go. You know, just need like a house. It's gonna be all colored in. Needs a doorway, and doorway's gonna be like that colored, so it looks like it's like, oof, we just came out of a house. Okay, I don't know what the point in that was. Then we need the legs. That looks a bit weird. Then we need the decoration. Okay, I need yellow, like a darker yellow though. This is like honey. There's like random honey on the top, because you know it's like a beehive, so obviously it's gonna be a bit of honey now and then, right? To be honest, that actually looks really good. All right, we're gonna copy this image. Now it can just not exist. All right, here's the house. This looks horrible. Okay, now we need some extra detail. In the detail, we need Dennis is like Dennis, you know, he's got a few secrets. I think he's actually secretly got laser eyes. Ooh, those are not laser eyes. You know, like secret laser eyes, and he's not going to tell anyone that. So Dennis, we know your secret. Don't you think you can hide that from us anymore? You've got laser eyes. I can't believe you didn't tell us that. Will that stay on him? It will. Okay. Crap. Beehive. Cause... Oh, no. Yeah, honeycomb. Cause... Ow, my arm. Cause Dennis stole the honeycomb. Right, Dennis has got it right here in his hand. You see, I told you I could draw. I actually didn't say that at all. It's not like I can't draw anything. This is my finished drawing. Wait, let me move this up a bit. This is the finished drawing. Oh, wait, no. Oh, that was the wrong side. I just needed one more. Oh, no, that's perfect. Is Dennis's secret being revealed slowly? Okay, there we go. And then secretly is actually not brushing his teeth, so he's being a bot. No, he is brushing his teeth. He's just having way too much honey. Meow. What's his name again? Like Mr. It's something like that. Mr. Meow Meow. Oh my god, it's actually there as well. Alright, we're just getting rid of the background of Mr. Meow Meow. I swear I'm getting this wrong, but sorry. But I don't really care. Right, Mr. Meow. Oh crap! What did you do, Mr. Meow Meow? You're gonna go there, so I can turn you around. Actually, no, that was wrong. Mr. Meow Meow is gonna have... Let me find it. Alright. There we go. You know, just lying around, because who doesn't have an AK-47 lying around? Right, here's our finished drawing. This is our completely finished drawing. It's amazing. If you want to see me draw again, like and subscribe, because I really do want to do this again. This is actually really fun. Lick the sub button. And, bye. Also, I forgot to say, Merry Christmas. Probably not watching this at Christmas, because it's not Christmas anymore, since it's 3 AM. Oh, someone liked my comment. Oh my, okay. Just ignore my Tommy in it recommendations, and I will see you hopefully in another Whiteboard 69 video. Goodbye.